Can we talk the importance of blush placement? If you look at my face, okay, and my face is really long and narrow and gravity is definitely taking hold of me, and I'm sorry if it's happening to you too, but hit that follow button if you'd like to learn all my tricks. And I am applying my blush. We always used to smile and apply it here, okay? Now I'm gonna put some right there, right on the ball. And then I'm going to not smile. And now my blush is clear down here. And all that is doing is pulling my face down. Instead, don't smile and take it here. I like to use at least 2 fingers between your nose, and then that's where you're gonna start your blush. And I want you to tap it in, and it's just above the contour, not into the wrinkles. Tap it in here, and then blend it upwards. Don't be afraid to pull it here up into the temple area. Look at the difference. Which one drags down? Which one lifts up? And if you need help with color selection, of course, just comment makeup and I can help you.